Greetings, Sekhmets children, to Sekhmets Healing Kitchen. I am Sekhmet SapphyreSun, and today I am going to show you how I utilized frozen soaked black rice, hibiscus tea, and fenugreek oil to make a powerful extreme hair growth treatment. Because my hair has already been washed 2 weeks ago. I just need to treat it. So I try to treat it once a month. I never showed you guys that I had made some black rice water before. And so what I did, I froze them after they soaked. And so I decided that I would make a formula that will help my hair to continue to grow. And you see, this is fenugreek seeds. I made them on April the 11th, 2020, this year. And I used 3 oils. I used castor oil, almond oil, and avocado oil to soak these fenugreek seeds, because all of those oils are wonderful oils to help to grow your hair and to keep it moisturized. And the other item is hibiscus flowers. I'm going to show you guys how I made this powerful frozen soaked black rice, hibiscus tea, and fenugreek oil to make this extreme hair growth treatment. Thank you for subscribing, and those that haven't, don't forget to. Please make sure that you like this video so that my video will be seen across the YouTube platform. Hit that notification bell so you may be notified when I upload the next one. Be right back. Thank you for coming back, Sekhmets children, to my frozen, soaked black rice, hibiscus flowers, fenugreek oil, extreme hair growth treatment. Black rice is great for hair and skin due to its vitamin E content. Its antioxidants are higher than other rice. It is a great source of fiber, iron, and rich in protein. The benefits of hibiscus flowers for the hair is that it combats hair loss. It is rich in vitamin C and amino acids. Hibiscus flowers improves the blood circulation of the scalp, which promotes hair growth. Benefits of fenugreek oil. It is a great detangler, and it helps combat frizzy and promotes shine and soft hair. It has antibacterial and antimicrobial benefits that prevent dandruff, itchy scalp, and scalp infections. This will be used in my next video to make a sugar scrub. This turned out to be a very creamy consistency. It wasn't too thick or too runny to put in my application bottle. It's Mercury retrograde again. I thought I was filming the right side of my head. But as you can see, I am applying this wonderful black rice, hibiscus, and fenugreek oil to treat my hair. And my hair is so soft. It makes your hair really, really soft, guys. So once you try this out, please comment below and tell me how did you like it. I am loving it. The next few clips I will be showing you some pictures of my hair just a few months ago. At the top of my hair has been really, really thin because, you know, I wear a lot of hair wraps in the wintertime. And so my hair had gotten really, really thin around the edges and the top part of my hair. And you used to could see straight through it. It was paper thin. And so now the top part of my hair is filling out, and I am so happy and so proud. So keep watching and you'll see how beautiful my hair has gotten. My hair has filled out a lot. As you can see in this picture, it was really, really thin. You could just see through it as if it was paper. Sekhmets children, I am done. My hair is so beautiful. Look at that. Look how shiny. Look how long my hair has gotten compared to what we started off with, okay? So, I would recommend this highly. It feels good. It's not too runny. It's not gonna be all over the place. I thought I had to use a towel because it still has some thickness to it. These ingredients are full of minerals, vitamins, and the hibiscus flowers are full of vitamin C. And you know how that is great for, that is a great antioxidant in keeping the hair strong. So, Sekhmets children, thank you for watching. And don't forget to subscribe. And those who have, I would like to thank you. Make sure you like this video. Hit that notification bell so you may be notified when I upload the next one. Remember to love yourself unconditionally, without judgment. Until next time.